Welcome, everyone. Here's Corey from the Empathic Way Europe team in behalf of the Time for Empathy Week, which is happening from the 6th to the 13th of March 2022. And right now I'm here with Kirsten Kristensen, and I'm very honored to have you here. And I also want to thank you already in the name of the whole team, and that you are willing and open to share your time and your wisdom and your gift with all the people who are participating in Time for Empathy. Thank you so much for being here. And maybe you are up for sharing. Why do you do the work that you do? What is your heart calling you when you share?
The work I do?
Yes.
With nonviolent communication?
Yes, with nonviolent communication.
I think I want the next generation to have better options in life than I have had. Better possibilities of dealing with their differences in a peaceful way. And I'm quite committed to peace in the world with peaceful means. And I see NVC and the things we learn in NVC as a way of expanding my awareness and also expanding my skills in dialogue.
Thank you. And you're going to share something about anger, fear, and nonviolence in the workshop, which is happening on Saturday morning at 11:30. You want to share about something about what is going to happen, or what is your intention about this workshop?
Yeah, I think I came up with this because of the situation in Ukraine, where so many of us, we can have a lot of fear, and we can also be angry about the situation and feel hopelessness. And I would like us to look at what does it look like if we want to have a nonviolent response or a nonviolent resistance, which is not the same as laying flat and being run over by a tank. So I also want us to say no to the strategy of war, and at the same time to build bridges between people and to see in the heart of people, both Russian and Ukrainians. They are our brothers and sisters, and they are each other's brothers and sisters. So how can we connect with many people in Russia and support them in their saying no thank you to war, even if they are not saying no thank you to the government they have or something else? And the people in Ukraine, how can we support them in surviving and working for peace by peaceful means?
Wow.
So how can we respond, and how can we be part of the solution instead of being part of the problem?
Yay. Thank you for offering this space. Yes, it's really precious and very meaningful. So yeah, thank you. So everyone who wants to join and to see what we can do, go into action, and to find strategies that are really caring for what we are carrying inside of us. And yeah, you can sign up on empathiceurope.com and get the link. And if people want to stay connected to you also beyond Time for Empathy and have enjoy your offerings, how can they do that, or where would you like?
Yeah, so first of all, I'm offering a training called Harvest the Fruit of Anger. And that is offered to Empathic Way Europe and starts in April. And it's 5 evenings. So it's an online training. And besides that, I offer a 1.5-year training program that starts in November. We call it the Journey Towards Nonviolent Communication Certification. So you can also find that. And if you are in Denmark or speak Danish, you are welcome to our summer camp that we have in July. And if you are looking for an IIT, I will be in Finland in July. There's an IIT in Finland, 1st to 10th of July.
Oh, great. So many opportunities to stay connected to you. Yes. Thank you very much. We will post all the links. You will find the links below or above the video. So yes, thank you very much.
Thank you. And thank you for the work you do to make all this available for people for free.
Yes, thanks for
I really appreciate that.
Thank you.
Thank you.